Good day, everyone. Today, our topic will be plotting of points on the rectangular coordinate system. Let's try to plot the following points. We have point A, and its coordinates are 4 and 5. 4 is the x-coordinate, and 5 is the y-coordinate. To plot a point, let's start with the x-coordinate. And our basis for the x-coordinate will be the x-axis. Since we have positive 4 as the x-coordinate, we need to move 4 times to the right. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's proceed to the y-coordinate. Our basis for y-coordinate is the y-axis. Since the y-coordinate is positive 5, we need to move now 5 times upward. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is where point A is located. That is point 4 and 5. Let's try another one. Let's try to plot point B. Point B has a coordinates of negative 4 and 3. Let's start with the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate is negative 4. Since the x-coordinate is negative 4, we need to move 4 times to the left from the origin. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, for the y-coordinate, the y-coordinate is positive 3. So we need to move upward 3 times. That is 1, 2, and 3. And that is where the point B is located. That is point negative 4 and 3. Another example, point C has a coordinates of negative 2 and negative 5. Let's start with the x-coordinate. That is negative 2. So we need to move 2 times to the left from the origin. That is 1, 2. And for the y-coordinate, since the y-coordinate is negative 5, we need to move downward 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is where the point C is located. That is point negative 2, negative 5. Another example, point D has a coordinates of 4 and negative 2. Let's start with the x-coordinate. That is positive 4. So we need to move 4 times to the right from the origin. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the y-coordinate, that is negative 2. So we need to move downward 2 times. That is 1, 2. And that is where the point D is located. That is point 4, negative 2. Another example, we have point E. The coordinates are 5 and 0. Let's start with the x-coordinate. That is 5 times to the right from the origin. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for the y-coordinate, since the y-coordinate is 0, meaning we're not going to move anymore. So point E is located on the x-axis. That is point 5, 0. Another example, point F. We have 0 and negative 4. Since the x-coordinate is 0, meaning we're not going to move left or right, it will stay on 0. Now proceed to y-coordinate, that is positive 4, so we need to move upward 4 times. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is where point F is located. That is point 0, 4. Now let's evaluate. Plot the following points within 2 minutes. So try to plot as much as possible within 2 minutes. Here are the given. So within 2 minutes, try to plot everything on the rectangular coordinate system. And after 2 minutes, I will show you where the points are located on the rectangular coordinate system. You can start now. Time's up. So here are the points. You can check your work. If you miss some of this, you can still practice on how to plot points on the rectangular coordinate system.